Hi all, it's a rainy day here in Toowoomba North, so just a few little maintenance jobs to be done. I'll take you through step by step.
Want the best rates on mini excavators and tight access earth moving equipment? Go to diggermate.com and get it done with Diggermate.
The first one's an oil change. This is where you put the pan to collect the oil, and I always put down a bit of cardboard and something comfortable to lie on as well. The oil plug's up under here, under the right hand side of the back of the digger, so that's the nut. I'll just undo it now. I've already loosened it off. It's a 19mm socket, and the oil comes out into the pan along with the plug. So while the oil is draining, you may as well change the oil filter. And to do that, you need to remove the coolant bottle. Now I've already loosened that off because I knew I was going to be doing it one-handed. Put it up somewhere safe. And now you have access to the filter, and in this instance I've already actually unscrewed the filter and I screwed it back on again, and what I normally do is write the hours of the new filter on the back of the filter so that I can remember when I changed it last. On this particular service, the fuel filter was also changed. It's just a matter of screwing the old one off and screwing the new one on, and I'm giving the air filter a bit of a clean. So I pulled off the air filter cover and pulled out the element, and I cleaned it out with some compressed air, and there it is. Oh, there it is, I found it. So it just goes back on, just like that. And make sure it seats nicely and all the mating surfaces are clean. Just putting the filter cover back on is a bit of a thing, but remember that little rubber spigot goes to the bottom, and the clips just go over like that and over like that. Job done. Well, the plug is back in place now, and everything in the engine compartment is as it should be, so it's time to fill it up with oil. The place to fill it up is there. Now you might not have a funnel, and so you can do what I've done and cut off the bottom of an old water bottle that screws in just perfectly into the top of the engine, the filler cap. Just make sure that it's dry, you don't want to put water in the engine. I'm using genuine Kubota oil that I get from Black Toyota, but you can use any good quality oil like Valvoline or Caltex or any of those. Remember when you dip the oil that it takes a little while for it to get down into the sump, so don't keep filling when you're getting close to full without allowing some time for the oil to get down there. When the oil is full, just start the engine and run it. Remember, you only had about a half an oil filter full of oil even if you already put oil in the filter to pre-charge it, and your fuel filter is empty, so it's going to take a while for the fuel pump to fill the fuel filter up. So wait until it stops rattling away, and then it's ready to go. When you first fire the engine up, just listen to it for a little while and wait for it to settle down. It will become a little bit quieter once it's happy. After the engine has been run, check everything again. Yep, that looks good. Just below full, which is ideal. You don't want it over full because that's not good. Make sure your filler cap's back in place, and then you can put the cover back on. I like to clean everything as I go along as well, so that it all looks nice and clean, and record your oil change hours. One final thing, put your dirty oil into your old bottle and put the cap on it and take it down to your local waste facility for recycling.
Thanks for watching. To get the best prices on machinery hire, book machines, see specs and availability, go to Diggermate.com. If you found this video useful, please be a mate of ours and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the share link below and share this with your friends and give us a thumbs up.